apparently it's like we needed to reiterate it to everyone that like, no, that's a red fucking light!
One night. You can use your turn signal in the fucking rain.
Yeah, shithead. No. Who needs it, right?
Understands traffic laws.
I know, instead of just going straight.
Yeah, like the other two people in front of them. Wow. This fucking...
Dude! It's a fucking four-way stop then! You don't just go because... Yeah, I don't know why this is that. You're in the intersection now. Not your turn either, Malibu. No, Chevrolet, you do not go. Now it's your turn. It's not your turn, though. Right, now it's our turn. Watch out for idiots.
Everyone chill the fuck out.
Yeah,
move forward.
Some stuff to do.
You have one blinker that works.
Nothing, no lights on your trailer. Come on, dude.
Oh, you have one working light on your trailer. It's a brake light. So your lights are plugged in. They just don't work. That's nice for you.